represents my life's work, but sadly, I have to close it. I never used to believe in ghosts or monsters, but something is scaring everyone away.
Don't worry, Professor. We'll investigate this mystery.
Like, leave it to us to run into a haunted museum on our way to the beach.
Okay, gang. Let's split up and look for clues.
Like, won't you be in here? Right, Scoob?
I think this place might really be haunted.
Like everyone over here, it's the safest.
Quiet, everyone. This way.
With exhibits like that, no wonder this museum shut down.
Just a hall of mirrors. Nothing creepy about that.
Wait a second. Go back.
Why? Should everyone smile and wave hello? Time to say goodbye.
This room contains the mysteries of science.
There must be a clue in here. Maybe I can reconnect the power to help find it. Jinkies! I must have pulled the wrong wire. This ought to do it. Hurry! This way! Science can have so many ghosts. My glasses! I can't find my glasses! Watch out! This ghost can conjure fire. The heat will ruin my hair.
These exhibits are getting too hot. Let's go.
Look! Behind us! The fire revealed a secret passageway.
Let's hope it leads to the kitchen.
Someone's been using this hall to set traps. We'll need to set our own trap. If this goes here, and that swings out from there, then all we need is the bait.
Nuh-uh. Not me, man. Try asking Scoob.
I'll Scooby-Dooby do it. Great, Scoob. You deserve a Scooby snack.
Wait, maybe I can help. Can I also get a Scooby snack?
Sure, Shaggy. After you find the ghosts and lure them into the trap.
Okay, here goes nothing. Found the ghost. Now what?
Let's do it.
I'm going as fast as I can. He's right behind us. I'm gonna need a handful of Scooby snacks after this.
Scooby snacks.
Game way.
Coming through.
Watch it. Which way out of here?
Left.
Right.
Left.
No, the other way. Maybe if we're quiet, they won't hear us.
You have to be quiet, Shaggy.
Yeah, Shaggy.
Those ghosts just don't know where to quit.
Don't worry, Dad. Our trap is all ready to go.
Come on, everybody. This way. The trap's all set. Just lure the ghost into position. A little more.
Now, gang. And the villain is...
The Professor's brother.
But why?
He wanted the museum's treasure all for himself.
So he make the exhibits being haunted.
Using these props to try and scare everyone away and shut
Oh,
down
look
the
at
museum.
Scooby.
And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you murdering kids.
I'm guessing there's meant to be something on that TV.
Scooby-Dooby.
There it is.
Oh, excellent.
And there we are.